grew up surrounded by fear, violence and abuse with my refugee father. My family came into Australia with nothing. No house, no job, no money. We didn't know the laws, the language or the systems. The weight of the world was on my father. With 2 young children and a newborn baby and a wife to provide for in a new country, he had no other choice but to succeed. And so he took on 3 jobs and was always angry. He had this anger building in him that none of us could explain. He would throw things, smash things, yell at us, and sometimes he would just stand there and scream and scream. We now know that he suffered terribly from post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and he would often wake up sweating and screaming from his nightmares of the war. Little was known about PTSD in those years, and so neither he nor his war veteran friends knew about the kinds of tools and the support that could help them to cope with this illness. He didn't know any better, and soon he passed on his anger to the next generation. And as you can imagine, my brothers and I grew up in an environment full of fear, violence and abuse, along with huge expectations.